Can't then Julie shoot. You say shoot?
Shoot,
You like to wear shoes. You're going to fall in those shoes, I'm quite certain.
I know, those are big heels.
Mommy will help you. Will Mommy help you? Here, come here. Mommy will help you. Okay, Mommy will help you. I gotta turn this way. Here. Here. You put one foot in. There.
Whoa, look at you. Come.
Oh my god.
Emmy's first pair of heels. Well, I don't know if that's working so well for you.
Oh, talk to Aunt Julie.
You got some growing to do. Evie, you can wear my slippers. Do you want to wear my slippers?
And wear Uncle John's shoes?
Uncle John's shoes?
These are much prettier.
What are you talking about? They're totally pretty.
I should help you, but it's not.
I know, she's telling me to eat it and those things.
Oh, we might figure it out. Foot up. Put your foot up. There. Now turn around and go to Aunt Julie.
Whoa, look at you. That's hot. Whoa, bye-bye. You going somewhere?
I got a date with Dane. Evie, who's your boyfriend? Evie, who's your boyfriend? Dane.